This project is really exciting for us at AtelierBond because we're using natural stone, a material that we're really familiar with, but we're just taking it to that next level. We've selected a palladiana floor for this kitchen, not only because it's aesthetically beautiful, but from the family's perspective, it's great for high traffic areas, it's really durable, it's non-slip, and it's super robust. We selected a Glamorous grey granite for its extremely durable and hard-wearing nature. Our clients needed it in the cooking and prep zone so that they didn't need to worry about much of the upkeep that comes with other natural stones. And we selected marble because we viewed it as an art piece that would really elevate the space, something beautiful that would offset the durability of the granite.
It's got a lovely depth of green and white. Being natural stone, it has beautiful variation. It's great to make a statement piece in the kitchen. Glamorous grey is really good in any hard working area. Being a granite, it's actually one of the hardest stones that sort of Mother Nature makes. Very, very resistant to acid etching, staining, scratching. So if you want a nice hard wearing product, Glamorous grey is a really good choice. With the palladiana floor, we was quite lucky to work with AtelierBond and source predominantly white grey marbles. They're a very sort of classic looking marble and was probably quite similar to what would have been used back in the Roman times. CDK stone, we've been sourcing natural stone for over 40 years now, and we're finding more and more that customers and designers are looking to push their project to the next level and use natural stone in a creative way.
This project's really exciting for us at AtelierBond because we're taking materials that we're quite familiar with, but we're using them in different ways. Traditionally, natural stone is used for bench tops and splashbacks, but we're taking a holistic approach and we're actually using that material on the floor as well.
It's a real pleasure to see this project come to fruition. I think it looks absolutely stunning. It's fantastic to see the use of natural material throughout, not just stone. This project is a celebration of natural stone.